Okay, today's video is not a review because I am not very aware of any kinds of mechanical or gaming keyboards. The reason why I purchased this mechanical keyboard is because I was curious and I like the LED lights of this keyboard. I do love my typing at a very badly lit room, so I need a keyboard that is very well lit, and as you can see, this keyboard is very well lit and it is mechanical. Hear that click? These are using blue switches. Okay, the model of the keyboard is this Aula WIND F2066-II mechanical keyboard. So again, I'm not a gamer. The only reason I bought this keyboard is because I was curious of how mechanical keyboards are as a keyboard, because all this time I was using a membrane style keyboard and they're okay. Membrane keyboards, they're far quieter than this. You see this? This is very loud, all the clicking sound. I'm not used to it, but I like the light, the LED light on this keyboard. That's the primary reason why I bought this keyboard, not for gaming, but because I was intrigued by the LED lights. So if you are a gamer, I think one of the functions that you will be that you will appreciate out of this keyboard is how you can illuminate certain keys for certain games. For example, you press function, you press 1, you see that only WASD, the arrow keys and the escape keys are illuminated. Press function 2, there's other keys illuminated for whatever games it is. I'm not sure, I'm not a gamer. Again, function 3, same thing. Function 4, same thing. Function 5, then you have other keys illuminated. Function 6, function 7, and function 8. Function 9 and function 0 is programmable. How to program them, I am not sure. Again, I'm not a gamer. I think these are programmable via the software itself. So ignore that thing, the notification sound. Alright, let me just silence the laptop for a bit, for a while. Okay. So other functions of this keyboard is the light show. You see that it has that light mode, breathing light. I think that's what it's called. By pressing function insert, there's another one which is function home. I think function home. What does function home do? I'm not sure. Oh, I think function home is when you press a key. You see that? It's doing that light show. Function page up, same thing. Function delete, function page down, and there you go. You have all that light effect. Let me just try this again. Function page down, function page down, and there you see that kind of like a Christmas light effect there. So if you're into this kind of things, I think this keyboard is great. That again, what I'm saying is the reason I bought this keyboard is because of the LED lights. Okay, maybe that will annoy some of you people that I'm only purchasing this as the only reason I'm purchasing this is because of the lights. Yes, because I always type in a dark place. Okay, another function that I can see is you can adjust the brightness of the LED using function arrow down, or you can increase the brightness to 3, 4, 5. I think 4 steps, and this is the brightest, and this is the less bright and off. I prefer to keep it in the first step of brightness, because that's enough brightness for me. So I think that's it. So if you're a gamer, I don't know if you like this. This is not expensive. In Shopee, the price without discount is around 69 ringgit. I got this for 49 ringgit, and that's only because I've applied a voucher. I've applied a 20 ringgit voucher that I obtained from a survey app, a mileau. I don't know how to pronounce that. mileau, mileau survey app. If you're interested, you can download the app and fill in some surveys. Enough survey filled in, you can get your 20 ringgit Shopee voucher that you can apply on your purchases. So I got this for 49 ringgit, which I think it's cheap for mechanical keyboard. I think so far I've been enjoying this keyboard as a non-gamer. I'm just using it to type. Alright, I'm just using it to type. I haven't used it for gaming yet, so I don't know. I'm not a big gamer, so I'm not sure if mechanical keyboards has any advantage over membrane keyboards. But so far I like this keyboard because of the LED light. It's very bright. Alright, I've purchased different keyboards with backlights before, and their backlights always seem to be not so bright. So I'm happy with this purchase, and I didn't pay so much for it. Okay, for mechanical keyboards. Probably this is not expensive mechanical keyboards anyways. So if you're looking for something like this you can consider this, even though this video is not a review. Alright, this is just a show and tell. What I can say is that I enjoy this keyboard, even though it's freaking loud, but it's a good typing experience. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.